Today is about 1.5 weeks after I did my potting video with roof clemens, and I promise y'all that I'm gonna do an update after a week or so. So there you go. So here you can see it start to have lots of new growth already. So all these are on the new growth. This is the new growth. Okay, this is the new growth as well. They're all looking pretty good so far. So what I did the past 1.5 weeks, because we have so much rain, and the baby en route is actually very susceptible to excessive humidity. So I mean, if you're gonna have a lot of rain in the area, like every day, heavy rain, and the roses will not really have enough time to have the soil kind of like drain. So for the baby pond like this, I actually put it at my patio where it still can get some sun and some rain. But I'm not putting it out there under the rain if I know like one whole week it's gonna be like that. So I did that, and it do pretty good right there. Even though it didn't get full sun there, but it still do pretty good. So that's the roof clemens. I think it looks good. Now the next one is the same time that I planted. This is actually the antique. This is antique climbing rose, and it's a little bit slower, this one, but you can see it already started to have new growth. So this really tell me that antique rose, when I see something like that, then that means this rose needs a lot of sun for it to actually grow well, because you remember it was at a patio, so it didn't get much sun, so it didn't actually grow like the growth is slower. And once I put it under the full day sun, like today and yesterday, I put it under the full day sun, and it start to take off. Okay, now this right here is Rhapsody in blue. So this is another one. It's a little bit slow, but it actually sent me the buds already, which is cool. Honestly, I'm not really so much into the flower at this stage. I just want them to branch out and grow. But you know what? I'm just gonna let it bloom and see how it looks. Because it's not really worth to cut it off. It doesn't do much. This right here is the Louis clemens, and check it out. Same thing. I also have lots of new growth on it. See that? So far so good. So far they are all doing pretty good. So I'm not worried too much. So we'll see. And this also have a bud on it. I'm not gonna have a lot of expectation on the flower, because you know when they're this young, the flower is not gonna be matured. So you can actually nip it off if you want to. So lots of people do that, I know. It's up to you. Okay, I have some pretty strong growth coming out right here and there. So hopefully it gives you some idea of how to take care of the baby onward roses when you receive it. Let me know if you have any question. I hope this helped. So there you go.